Okay, sugar, brother. Sugar. I was looking for card. Yeah. Okay, see you, bro. See you. 5:20. Yeah. Yeah. Big room, eh? Very big. Yeah. What's that? No. I'm just soft. But I'm feeling myself.
No, it's okay.
Yeah. If you want, I can feel you. I did it. Okay.
So, in case of any, you just dial 9.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Shukran. Thank you.
Yes, we can. Arabic.
Yeah.
Next time we learn Arabic.
Oh yes, I'm ready. Wallah.
حبيبي come to Dubai.
I pay or pay back? 60. Okay. Yeah. Oh, so
Asante sana. Yeah.
yeah. Go CJ. No KFC. Okay, let's go CJ. It's last night. Yeah. Yeah? Boycott. Okay, I told you. Me too now. From today I boycott. From today I boycott. It's good for souvenir, huh? Yeah. So I'll pay by card. I don't know if he's going to accept this.
It's okay?
Yeah. I picked Africa and I picked the Uganda flag.
Oh, yeah.
How much is that?
30,000.
3,000.
30. $8. 30.
Expensive, eh? Okay, no problem.
Yes.
For two.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
Oh, okay. I don't know.
Ah, sorry. Let me. Oh, okay, I clicked the wrong one.
It's true.
Huh?
Why is it refusing?
Using what?
It has refused.
Try again. Try on the US dollars this time. Maybe it's refused the Uganda shilling.
I can
No, it's not touch. It's not touch. It's the one that you put in. Yeah. Last pin try. Why should I? Why?
It has refused to do again. Yeah, I think I don't know why it has refused to accept the pin.
Is your keyboard correct? Try it. Bismillah. Hey, I don't understand. No, don't worry. I'm going back home tomorrow. They try to block. Okay, enter. No. It's not my card.
We're sorry about that, sir.
My card works in my system.
So will it accept?
Huh?
Will you try to tap?
Do that?
Will you try to tap using your phone?
No, but it's, as you can see, my card works in my system.
So what's wrong now?
I think it's your. I don't know. You forget about it.
It's not authorized.
Huh?
It's not authorized.
Is it bureau change open till now?
It's okay. I feel sorry for you because I wanted to buy it. Thank you. No, it's not gonna be blocked. No. Wow. They don't take Visa or something. Huh?
So they said that the bureau change already closed.
Where is the bureau change? If I
That's supposed to be.
should you take the bureau change real quickly?
Yes.
Yeah, we're looking for cash too. Okay. This is a bank, right?
To launch, we come
Yes.
to foreign
Hold on. Things in CJ's.
a lot of
Trying to
charging.
get some sandwich.
A lot of charging, 5
Chicken.
Sudan.
She's quite hungry. Let's go eat some chicken. Don't worry, you're not in here.
Huh?
You're not in it, don't worry. You're not in here, don't worry.
Oh, it's okay. As long as there's no Econet, whatever.
You're not in here, I'm just like...
Want me to help you?
Yeah? There is a way.
Even if I take a picture of this, put it on my already on the map.
So we can check out everything that's happening.
Getting ready. For the wedding? This is to attending the function.
What is it called? Burundi? What is it called?
On the map.
Burundi on the map.
And this is
Burundi on the map. I love my Burundi people. Burundi on the map. Yeah. Right guys, follow that. Burundi on the map. Shout out to my Burundians. My My sister, why don't you eat? Yeah. This is too much, yeah.
Maybe after I finish everything, I love the
I hate potato. I hate potato.
Africa is beautiful.
This chicken pesto.
The old thing coming to America, the Uganda Queen Lisa was wearing our traditional that film coming to America.
Yeah,
She
yeah.
was wearing our traditional.
Yeah, coming to America, yeah.
I will visit boring. So I have a long list.
Inshallah.
I have a long list. Somalia.
I've always wanted to go to Somalia just because
You know what we'll do? Even if I cannot, we can do a meeting in Mogadishu so that we can all come and enjoy it. That would be fabulous, you know. If they can, even city by city, capital by capital, we go to one day Kigali, the next day we travel, the next day, the next time.
And I would like to try this traditional dish.
Yeah.
Banana with rice, fish.
Yeah, and because you know we have a lot of livestock.
Yeah.
So we have sheep, goats, camel meat, banana rice.
the traditional warrior.
Guys, we are in CJ's in Entebbe, and we're enjoying it. It's fabulous food here.
You know, even you have a part
I love that when the men the warrior.
you're a part of Sudan, you're a part of in the part of Sudan, they dance the same as like
Anyway, because they have the normally.
and with the love like
Because most of the people they know only the drummers, Indian drummers.
Alright, guys, I'm with my team. We're having a good meal. Really enjoying the great atmosphere. CJ's Entebbe, if you know, you know. So,
it's like Uganda. It's like Uganda.
Yeah, but Uganda is just greener, a little bit more closer to the equatorial,
Yeah.
but still green. Also, lake, rivers.
what is that noise? Yeah?
It's here.
Okay.
They do that.
Seems like I thought someone was shouting, huh?
Make sure tomorrow before
Awesome.
Somebody's enjoying their birthday party. Huh? She's 29. 29.
You said that you want.
No, she's 29. 29.
She looks very young, right? She looks very
For the extras, right?
Extras? Which extras?
Okay, what are we checking for?
We're checking for any other drinks, Coca-Colas, any 520. I think the room is paid, everything else is paid, right?
Yeah, accommodation is
Yeah.
paid for
And
the shuttle.
so is there any bill that's in there right now?
Okay, let me just put it.
Okay.
Okay, we have only one drink.
One drink. How much is that? 3,000. Huh?
It's 4,500.
It's okay, Ralph. It's okay. It's okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you. Hey, Chief. How are you? How was your night? It's okay, yeah. You leaving what time tomorrow? I think we're on the same flight.
Midday.
Yeah, same flight. Yeah, we come together, we leave together. Inshallah. Inshallah. Alright, guys, so off to home. So we're going to catch a flight. And we are off. See you guys in a bit.